In 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Match 5 gets started here on the Johnson division. We have 5 robots moving here so far. That's a pretty well trend in our autonomous period, or autonomize, so far this morning. We're going to ingrain that word in the lexicon here on the Johnson division, so get your thesauruses ready. 31 points on the board for the Red Alliance, and they will take a lead as drivers now take the controls. There's Robotics from Hawaii scooping up all the leftover notes near the Red Alliance amp in that bottom left corner of the field, and more are getting passed along by their Alliance partners. Second-year team Itcon out of Texas. They'll pass those notes forward and right over the tops of all of these Blue Alliance machines. Now, these Blue Alliance machines, 2 of them are rookies, and 1 of them has quite the polycarb contraption on the top of it. That's the dark tint. Don't try driving that one on a real roadway. All over the top of that robot that they use to intake those notes from the human player at their source. Huge target for their human player to hit. Easy to line up and fall into the feeder mechanism. They then pass the notes forward along to their Alliance partners, the Pit Pirates out of North Carolina, who are working exclusively on that 1-point amp, not bothering with their speaker. That's a bit of a strategy we're seeing a bit more here this morning than we saw even just a couple of weeks ago during Week 6 events. Speaker amplified over on the Blue Alliance side of the field. 5, 10, possibly 15 points worth scored so far during that amplification cycle. And now 1 minute left to play with the Red Alliance up 13 points. There's Robotics still working on cleanup duty over by the Red Alliance speaker. They get joined briefly here by Ohio's Flying Circuits. Just a barrage of notes to scoop up. I'm counting 5 on the ground just in front of these robots, and yet more getting passed in from Texas's Itcon. About to crack triple digits over there on the Red Alliance scoreboard. They have easily exceeded the 21 note threshold that they needed for their Melody bonus ranking point. The Blue Alliance has as well, so that cooperation bonus paying off for both alliances. Now the Blue Alliance just looking for a lot of score in short order here to end the match. The human player is going to help provide that. Very remarkable high note coming in from that human player to spotlight the Fantron X machine. That's a rookie out of Michigan there. Alliance partners go airborne for 3, both of them. 2 Red Alliance robots will match that up for 3, plus another one up for 4 points. 120 points to the Blue Alliance's 103, and that is a completely clean 120 points, so that will be our high score to beat here on the Johnson division as we go forward. 4 ranking points for each of those Red Alliance teams, 1 for each of the Blue, and we'll be right back.